Hi, I'm Dr. Arpan Patel. When we first opened our doors, it didn't take us long to realize we weren't in the dental business. At Alpha Dental Excellence, we were in the people business. We needed to be helpful, respectful, and compassionate to treat people like people. It's what we all signed up for, and now when people need this the most, we will do what we've always done: take care of people first. The rest will follow. Through this COVID-19 pandemic, which we will get through together, Alpha Dental Excellence is keeping its doors open to treating those in need, whether it be our patients or patrons of our community new to us. As per the guidelines of the American Dental Association and the Centers for Disease Control, for the safety of all in need, we are here for emergency dental care. Emergency dental care during the COVID-19 era includes any type of pain, dental traumas, dental infections and extensive decay, root canal treatment, broken teeth, broken fillings, crowns, veneers, dentures or partials, TMJ pain, orthodontic appliance adjustments that are causing pain. The above list, plus anything else that would impede on one's ability to function, would be considered an emergency. During this time, it is absolutely understandable and responsible for people not to leave their homes if not necessary. That is why we also offer 7 days a week a free virtual consultation with myself, just for you to find out. It never hurts to find out. From one human being to another, be safe, and we will make it through this together. Thank you.